Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about biosphere reserves, wildlife sanctuary and national park. So, what is wildlife sanctuary? Wildlife sanctuary is a protected area which is reserved for the conservation of only animals, and human activities like harvesting and collecting minor products and private ownership rights are allowed as long as they do not interfere with the well-being of animal. National Park. National Park is a much larger area than wildlife sanctuary. It is also a protected area. It is mainly protected for its natural beauty and animals, and public can usually visit this place. It provides natural habitat to wildlife. Difference between wildlife sanctuary and national park is that in sanctuary, certain rights of people living inside the area could be permitted, while in national park, no such rights are allowed. Next is Biosphere Reserve. It is a large protected area compared to wildlife sanctuary and national park, and it is also meant for conservation of wildlife, plants, and animal resources. Biosphere reserve area are meant for conservation of biodiversity of a specific area. The entire flora and fauna in this region is preserved in its natural habitat. It also helps in maintenance of biodiversity culture. Now, biosphere consists of three zones. The innermost zone is the core zone, where no human activity is permitted. The next is buffer zone, which is surrounded by the core zone, where a limited access permits to local people for the gathering of resources. And the third is free zone. It is the outermost zone which is open to human settlements and resource gathering. These areas are created by UNESCO, that is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, under MAB, that is Man and the Biosphere Program, in 1968. First is Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. It is an international biosphere reserve in the Western Ghats and Nilgiri Hills ranges of South India, and it is also the first biosphere reserve of India declared in 1986 and also declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 2012. This biosphere reserve includes area of three states, which are Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. It has largest population of two endangered species, that is lion-tailed macaque and Nilgiri tahr. Protected areas under this biosphere includes Silent Valley National Park, Mukurthi National Park, Bandipur Nagarhole Tiger Reserve, Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary, Aralam Wildlife Sanctuary, Satyamangalam Wildlife Sanctuary and Tiger Reserve. Next is Nanda Devi Biosphere. Nanda Devi Biosphere is located in parts of Chamoli district, Pithoragarh district and Bageshwar district of Uttarakhand. And the famous animals here are snow leopard and Himalayan black bear. It includes two core areas, that is Nanda Devi National Park and Valley of Flower Park. Next is Gulf of Mannar. It is located in Indian part of Gulf of Mannar, extending from Rameshwaram Island in the north to Kanyakumari in the south of Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka. Endangered species here are dolphin, dugong and sea cucumber. Next is No Creek. It is located in West Garo Hills of Meghalaya state. Main animal famous here is red panda. Next is Sundarban National Park. Sundarban National Park is a national park, tiger reserve, and biosphere reserve in West Bengal, India. It is part of the Sundarbans on the Ganga Delta and adjacent to the Sundarban Reserve Forest in Bangladesh. The delta is densely covered by a large area of mangrove forest and is also one of the largest reserves for the Bengal tiger. It is also home to a variety of bird, reptile, and invertebrate species, including the saltwater crocodile. The present Sundarban National Park was declared as the core area of Sundarban Tiger Reserve in 1973 and a wildlife sanctuary in 1977. Manas National Park or Manas Wildlife Sanctuary is a national park, UNESCO Natural World Heritage Site, a Project Tiger Reserve, an elephant reserve, and a biosphere reserve in Assam. It is located in the Himalayan foothills. It is contiguous with Royal Manas National Park in Bhutan. The park is known for its rare and endangered endemic wildlife such as the Assam roofed turtle, speed hare, and golden langur. Manas is famous for its population of the wild water buffalo also. Next is Shimlipal National Park. Shimlipal National Park is a national park and a tiger reserve in the Mayurbhanj district of Orissa. It is a part of the Mayurbhanj Elephant Reserve, which includes three protected areas: Shimlipal Tiger Reserve, Hadgar Wildlife Sanctuary, and Kuldiha Wildlife Sanctuary. Shimlipal National Park derives its name from the abundance of red silk cotton trees growing in this area. It is the seventh largest national park in India, and the animals habitat here are gaur, Royal Bengal tiger, and Asian elephant. Next is Dihang Dibang or Dihang Debang is a biosphere reserve constituted in 1998. It is in Arunachal Pradesh. The Mauling National Park and the Dibang Wildlife Sanctuary are located within this biosphere reserve. The reserve spreads over three districts: Dibang Valley, Upper Siang, and West Siang. It covers high mountains of eastern Himalaya and Mishmi Hills. The endangered animals found here are Mishmi takin and musk deer. Next is Panchmahari Biosphere. It is included in Biosphere in 1999. It is located in parts of Betul district, Hoshangabad district, and Chhindwara district of Madhya Pradesh. The animals found here are giant squirrel and flying squirrel. Next is Achanakmar Amarkantak Biosphere Reserve. It is located in parts of Anupur, Dingturi, and Bilaspur district of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. The animals found here are four-horned antelope, Indian wild dog, white rumped vulture, and sacred grove bush frog. Next is Great Run of Kutch. It includes part of Kutch, Morbi, Surendranagar, and Patan district of Gujarat, and it is the largest biosphere reserve in India. And the endemic species found here is Indian wild ass. It also includes wildlife conservation areas such as Indian Wild Ass Sanctuary, Kutch Desert Wildlife Sanctuary, Narayan Sarovar Sanctuary, Kutch Bustard Sanctuary, Bunny Grassland Reserves. Next is Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve. It includes Peen Valley National Park and surroundings, Chandratal and Sarchu and Kibir Wildlife Sanctuary, and it is located in Himachal Pradesh. Animal found here is snow leopard. Next is Kanchenjunga. It is located in parts of Kanchenjunga in Sikkim, and the famous animal found here is snow leopard, and red panda. Next is Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve. It includes Neyar, Pepara, and Shanduruni Wildlife Sanctuary in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The animals found here are Nilgiri tahr and Asian elephant. Next is Great Nicobar. It is located in the southernmost part of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The famous animal found here is saltwater crocodile. Next is Dibru-Sakhova Biosphere Reserve. It lies in part of Dibrugarh and Tinsukia districts of Assam. The animals found here are white-winged wood duck, water buffalo, black-breasted parrotbill, and capped langur. Next biosphere reserve is Seschalam Hills. It is located in Andhra Pradesh, and the animal found here is slender loris. And the last bioreserve is Panna. It lies in parts of Panna district and Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh. The animals found here are tiger, chital, chinkara, sambar, and sloth bear.